Welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the new dual camera feature on Instagram Reel. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So the new dual camera feature allows users to record content with their back-facing camera and record their reaction to the event with their front-facing camera at the same time. The rear camera shot will take up most of the screen space, while the content shot through the front camera appears in a small window inside this, which will show the user's reaction to the main video. So let me show you how to use this dual camera feature on Reel. First, make sure to update your Instagram app to the latest version. You can do this by going into your App Store or your Play Store to update it. Once updated, open the Instagram app. Now tap on the plus sign to post a reel, then tap on Reel. This will take you to the Reel's recording screen. On the left hand side, you'll see some tools, but among that, you'll notice the new dual camera feature. Tap on it. Now you should see a front camera view in a small box and the rear camera view at the full screen. To swap the view, just double tap on the screen and you'll see the camera swapping. You can also move the small box anywhere you like on the screen by pressing and holding and then dragging it to your desired location. Once you're ready, go ahead and record your Instagram Reel using the dual lens feature. And that is how to use the new dual camera feature on Instagram Reel. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. I'll try my very best to answer it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.